Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about higher mathematics, work examples and problem with elements of theory. The author of the book is Efimov. It's from Mir Publishers Moscow, a famous Soviet publishing house for scientific, technical and educational book. This is the book. It's a hardcover edition. The idea of designing the first two parts of this three-part problem book belongs to Professor B. Demodovich, but his early death prevented him from putting it into practice. The plans of Professor Demodovich were developed and realized by a group of authors who have had long pedagogical experience lecturing higher mathematics to engineering students. The structure of the book was suggested by Professor A. Efimov, who also carried out the general editorship. The problem contents in the book cover the branches of mathematics studied at engineering colleges. Each section is supplied with a brief introduction containing the relevant theoretical material, definitions, formulas, theorems, and 20 of truly worked examples. All the problems are furnished with answers and the most complicated of them with solutions. First published in 1988. Chapter 14, The Theory of Probability. Chapter 15, Mathematical Statistics. Chapter 16, Partial Differential Equations. And Chapter 17 is Integral Equations. Chapter 14, The Theory of Probability. Random Events. Distribution connected with repeated independent trials. Examples: a die is thrown 3 times. The random variables are x, the number of occurrence of the 6, and by the number of occurrence of odd numbers. Describe the distribution law of the random vector. Determine whether the components x and y are dependent or independent. Describe the distribution laws of the separate components, and describe the conditional distribution law of the random variable. Section 4 of 14.5 is the law of largest numbers and the limit theorems of probabilities theory. The law of large numbers. The following statements and then terms make up the content of a group of laws united under the general name of the law of large numbers. Chapter 15 Mathematical Statistics. In section 15.6 is the least squares method and elements of linear regression analysis, calculating estimates of the parameters of a linear model. Solving singular regular equation of the second kind. Part 1. Linear algebra and fundamentals of mathematical analysis. Contents: Introduction to analysis, vector algebra and analytical geometry, determinants and matrices, elements of linear algebra, differential calculus, functions of one variable, integral calculus, functions of one variable, differential calculus, function of several variables. Part 2. Advanced topics of mathematical analysis. Contents: multiple integral differential equations, vector analysis, the theory of function of a complex variable, series and their application, operational calculus. Part 3. Special courses. Contents: the theory of probability, mathematical statistics, partial differential equations and integral equations. Okay. This classic by Efimov is perfect for students, teachers and researchers who want to strengthen their understanding of higher mathematics through worked examples. It combines clear theory with practical problems, making it ideal for engineering students, competitive exam preparation, or anyone looking to build strong problem solving skills. Timeless resource from Mir Publishers. If you are interested, you can find the full listing on my eBay page. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in science book from Mir Publishers, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time.